everyone, welcome back. Is Block Plus showing a completely black screen when you open it, even though you can hear sound or feel the app is technically running? Here's the fix, and a specific cause of most of people never think of. So, confirmed cause is that the screen filter apps, blue light filters, and accessibility overlay apps can directly conflict with block blast rendering and cause exactly this black screen, with eye care apps and screen dimmers being common culprits. First, check if you have any of these installed, and if so, temporarily disable them, then relaunch Block Blast to test. Go to settings, then go back and go to accessibility. Tap on it and then tap display and text size. Here, check if any overlay features like color filters or videos transparency are turned on and turn them off temporarily. Force close Block Blast completely from your recent app list, then reopen it. And if the black screen proceeds after that also, then go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find Block Blast. Tap on it and then tap offload app, then go back to your app store and reinstall it fresh from here. So all you've got to do is disable any screen filter or blue light apps first, check accessibility display overlays, then force close and reopen. If the black screen clears, then that's it. Subscribe.